They're here.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Scratcher.
Scratcher, right?
Yeah.
One of them is running.
They're like, what's happening?
They're hiding.
Mario Lopez.
Oh my gosh.
Hi. They're very calm.
Yeah.
They're calm.
I'm like, that I had at home and my head's not.
They're a little, these two are timid, but getting the feel for things.
Oh my god.
Are they all females?
I think that's
Are you gonna freak?
Yes.
Let's see.
Are you twins?
Roman's
Okay, come here. You love me?
Do you love me?
I love you.
Yeah.
I love you.
Today.
Cutie.
You're like a perfect Halloween cat.
Yeah.
Can we name you Pumpkin?
Little Thackeray bangs.
No, my hand.
Yeah, so calm.
We really should have kicked out the massage people who made the pumpkin.
I did. Yeah.
There's one here, there's one over there, and there's a third guy just running over there.
Oh, he's scared.
Are you Snapchatting?
No, we're periscoping.
I think you want to close the door because I might. Watch out.
Oh my god,
Oh my god. Hi, cutie. I'm so nice. Come play with me. Guys, be careful of the door.
Yeah, we just want to make sure they don't escape. There's 1, 2.
Uh-oh, she's going for the exit. Oh my god.
Can someone take a photo with my phone? Oh, he loves me too.
Oh, mine hated me.
I love you. Hi. He's so cute.
You can be a wedding gift to my friend.
Let me give you the Ginny's.
Passive?
Oh my god.
Don't try to get away from me. Oh no, he's gonna try to get out probably.
He's a black guy and he likes it.
You putting this on our skateboard?
I hope he's gonna adopt it like ASAP. Oh my god, look at that belly.
Wait, can I grab you onto it?
Yes.
Watch your okay.
Can you send one of these to me?
Wait, we're both like holding our cats like babies.
I know. We need cats in the office every day.
Well, I'm sure she can hear us.
Well, office cats are a thing. We should have an office cat. Alex? A lot of businesses do have office cats. I would feed it. It would just need someone to feed it on the weekends. You're oh my god, cute.
Living the life.
I know. Of course, they were like afraid at first, and now they're like,
Dude, we have cats.
Where are these cats from?
"What shot?"
Yeah. Are they from Paws or something? I have never been more overjoyed in my whole entire life. Are you out of here?
They're like,
Yo, you are really good with cats. I know. I'm obsessed with my cats. You don't even understand.
they're so great.
Oh, that's right. You have cats. Really good.
Oh yeah. Oh, don't try to flip
Take it
over.
over a second.
Howie would like to. We should have brought Howie. He loves kittens.
Oh my god.
Loving this. I haven't ever.
Is that one otherwise?
This is the best way to start.
Yeah.
So pretty.
These are so cute. Where are you going?
I don't really know what I'm doing with this thing.
Where are you going? Yeah, there's two little Siamese ones.
Where's the other side? Where are the other cats?
Where'd they go?
Where are they from?
Jen has one. They're from. They do have a home in Chile. You probably know. They're. I think they're from a foster.
Oh,
But if you want to adopt them,
oh no, I have too many cats.
I want to adopt one. Is there
You should adopt this one.
Can I adopt this one?
Oh my god, do it, Maria. She should.
Oh my god.
Can you imagine? And then we can profile you on Phillymag.
you're such a little lover.
I know. You Jen has a good
Don't love me.
No, it really is.
The lighting in here is very
If the mom is exposed, like,
Where's the other one?
my sister's pregnant and my brother-in-law is allergic to cats. Like, she's telling me
We need one for the office.
Alright,
He likes to
Did you get to hold it?
Yeah.
You're like a natural.
You have so many cats.
I know, Audrey's like a total cat. We have a dog too.
I have 2 cats and the one's out of control already. What's one more now? Don't go anywhere.
just wrap it up in your like jacket. It like matches that.
Oh yeah. Just be part of it.
Oh my god.
You're so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I don't want it.
Cats of Phillymag. Can we borrow a cat for a sec?
I'm assuming they're adoptable.
Sorry.
Yeah.
They are all adoptable. So,
That's like my
Can you tell us why Uber's here? And why
Yeah,
you're here?
so Uber and the Pennsylvania SPCA are teaming up today to bring kitten play dates to offices around Philadelphia. You may not know that today is National Cat Day, but we're hoping that through our visits today, all these adorable adoptables who want to get down will find their forever home. So we're super excited to be teaming up with Uber. We did this earlier this year with puppies, and they all did in fact find their homes. So go to the Uber go to the Uber app on your smartphone and swipe over to Kittens, and we can come visit you today, and you can spend 15 minutes with these adorable guys, who I'm gonna pass along to some people here. You guys want to come back?
Thanks.
This cat is like.
they are pretty sweet. I know, they like the belly.
Oh, is it?
Where's Joe?
It's all about it.
What are you doing, Joe? You doing some cat selfies?
You gotta do the cat selfie.
Oh my god.
What hell? Go ahead, take.
Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. You're so tiny. Oh my god, how precious.
I have dogs too. I really wanted that cat. But I like black.
Oh my god.
I used to have
Oh. Get some back claw action going on here. Oh no.
Oh my god. Wait, are you?
Hello.
Cat.
Yep.
I know. These are in here. Got them all.
Oh my god.
All accounted for.
Oh, I need to get a picture with one of the cats.
Can I get a picture of the cat?
Please take the
Is
cat.
she gonna like claw me?
A little bit.
I'm wearing like
Please come on in.
guys, look how much
We
happier
need one.
everyone
We
is
need
with
an
this.
office cat.
How do you make this happen? I'm so impressed.
Do you like belly rubs?
Oh,
Probably,
All the Jack made like
probably the best thing I've ever done.
Oh, he's chasing the shadows.
Oh, leaving us?
It's so precious.
oh my gosh, Nicole is such a cat mom.
That cat crying.
Can you film for me?
Yes.
This is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
You are so sweet. Little baby.
Yeah, the black one is like a cute tea.
He just wants to be like rocked and loved. The other ones are like
It's so chill.
Do you guys have any toys?
We do, but they're in the car.
Hello. Hello.
This photo, like, actually looks like I've never seen anything so good. I'm gonna Instagram it later. I wouldn't judge you right now. You look so happy. I look like I'm crying.
He's like, no. He's like, absolutely not. He's just like crying. Just came in on a call. What's going on?
Is this like a live
Massages.
thing that we're doing right now?
There's like too much going on. Yeah, what is work anymore? Yeah, I love that one.
That one is like, oh,
My dress is like breaking out. And it's Nicole, you have to take it.
Like pawning them all.
Nicole, that's your cat daughter.
I know. I had a black cat growing up, so it could be midnight reincarnated.
that's so beautiful. It's so cute. No, can't run away.
Mary's such a cat whisperer. Do you need a picture?
They all the same kind.
Yeah, I got one before, but you can take another
No,
one.
there's a black one.
Oh, they're all the same litter?
Yeah.
Where the
Puppies are here in August.
Yeah.
Will you bring us?
David,
Yeah,
Can
we
you use puppies again?
Yeah, David, we need puppies. Probably in my free right now. We need to play. Where's the toys?
What?
It's a little late, but that's what it's like.
Oh, yeah.
Like a little teacup. Yeah, give him some Robin. Oh, baby.
Yeah, let me log. I need to log back in.
No, this is just for me.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Wait, I want
Okay.
one.
I just want a thing that
Is
says
there
Uber
actual
Kittens.
information about adopting this cat?
One,
Yeah.
two.
Oh, that's perfect.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa. Hey.
I'll get them. Here.
Can you take on a name with the Uber Kittens?
Yeah.
Come here, you little cutie.
What kind of cat is that? Let's see.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Sorry. So sorry.
I'm definitely gonna be like season like no other.
Alright, I have to go right now.
Oh my god, so cute.
So cute.
Send me that one too.
We should adopt this cat.
I think
I think we need to adopt this cat.
I just love you.
So are you giving them away?
Love you.
The goal is to get them all adopted.
Can we
We're gonna
post
start
about it on
with
Instagram?
Look at his. Well, let's get them adopted, guys. Adopt.
You should adopt like
Adopt me. Adopt me. You used to call me on my cell phone.
There you go.
yeah. Oh my god, you shine that we were
You should be like Taylor Swift and bring a cat. To the office.
I need to go write things or I'll never be able to leave.
Write about cats.
Can I?
right about
Well, sorry.
We need something for the kitties.
Can't leave yet.
Sorry. I lost my phone. Priorities. Kittens over cats. Kittens over phone.
Kittens over cats.
Wait, you guys stand next to each other. You look really cute.
Come here.
You're looking the wrong way. Are you being shy?
Here, give me your phone.
Kitties.
No, I am.
Who's got a flashlight?
Because you're Great, Jen, look up. She's looking at me.
You do! Oh my god, we just need
Oh my god, I just want to.
Here, look. That's really cute.
Oh, that is so cute. Jack, post that.
I want to post one, but I was crazy.
You're live. You're live on
Oh,
there.
hey.
Wait, are we like periscoping?
Big time.
No.
You can just chill there all day.
You just want to hide.
Wait, I have such a good picture of Bellman and the cat.
Wait, let me see.
Can we just start a Facebook album that's like the cats? Just cats.
Oh my god, Roman!
I feel like I
Let me
won't forget
see,
you.
let me see.
No run.
Is it gram-worthy?
We're gonna have to put you back in a minute.
Come on, you.
Say hi. Hi, Periscope.
Yeah.
Adopt me.
Oh my god.
I've never seen you smile like that.
They all have like
Yeah.
like meow, meow, meow.
I love that.
I like this one. You like me too.
They need to find you guys find lots of
You can offer your bike. There you go. Give it to Mom.
and we like couldn't get rid of them.
Somebody has a cat in my building.
So can I go give this to David? So
Yeah.
we'll take
I have a picture with of one him with one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Oh my god, that's what I was just gonna say. It's like say hi.
I know.
Say that much.
I was like, someone have a lint brush. I just
Yeah, and then this time.
Kevin, get a cat, get a cat.
It's like it sounds like I love Christmas.
And nap time.
Take them back in a second.
Coming to
What's
play
your
with
next stop?
us.
NBC.
Yeah. Steal
Careful.
from Kevin.
There'll probably be,
You all find home.
I think we're doing
is that on City?
Yeah. Good ballot one. So we have to roll with this one.
Right.
Grab him, grab him, grab him.
Ooh.
No.
Hold on the loose. What sort of tells you about all of our programs that we have?
Your next stop.
I think of the SPCA is just a shelter. I know. We have a wellness clinic, so.
Please just pan to me like.
Oh, give it to Danielle.
I can put him down.
And should we go down first?
No.
Hi, baby.
But Jen Johnson.
Oh, it's an Uber.
We also have corporate
Kitty.
We do, yes. And kittens. So the fish town is our new.
Turn around, Goofy.
Wait for a nap.
Yep.
Every
Gonna take a little nap. Go to your next stop.
Yeah, like supporting about like a baby.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, thanks so
You want
much.
to tell us one more time how people can get Uber cats or adopt Uber cats?
Sure. Yeah, so today we are, the PSPCA and Uber are teaming up to bring cats to offices throughout Philadelphia. So from 11 to 3, anyone who is in an office in Philadelphia can go to their smartphone Uber app and swipe over to Kittens and work to book a visit. So we have 10 cars throughout the area who will be carrying 2 to 3 kittens each, and you can come. They can come to your office for $30 of 15 minutes of wonderful playtime, and Uber will be making a donation back to the Pennsylvania SPCA. And all of these adorable adoptables are available. So we'll be at our Fishtown location at 3 o'clock today to hopefully find them some forever homes.
Aww.